Have you ever wondered why some men don't chase women, but women still chase them? It doesn't make sense at first. These men don't text all day. They don't constantly give compliments. They're not showing off. And yet, women can't seem to stop thinking about them. Here's the truth no one tells you. The most overlooked masculine trait that women love is detachment. Not coldness, not ignoring, not pretending. Real detachment means you don't cling. You don't beg. You don't need someone to feel whole. It means you can care about someone deeply, but still walk away if it means protecting your peace. And that's rare. Women are drawn to it, even if they don't understand why. Because when a man is detached, he becomes powerful. He's calm. He's in control. And most of all, he's free. Let's go deeper. Why chasing doesn't work, even if everyone says it does. Most guys grow up hearing the same advice. Show her you care. Make her feel special. Give her your time and energy. It sounds good. It sounds sweet. But if you give too much, too fast, something strange happens. She pulls away. You start chasing more. You try harder. You explain how good of a guy you are, but she feels less interested. Why? Because value drops when it's always available. Think about it. If you had a friend who texted you every 5 minutes, called you 10 times a day, and wanted to hang out constantly, would you still be excited to see him? Probably not. It's the same with women. Constant attention feels good at first, but it loses its magic fast. Detachment is the opposite. You're not cold. You're not rude. You're just not always available. You're focused. You're building something. You're living. And that makes her wonder, what's he doing? Why isn't he chasing me? That curiosity creates attraction. Space isn't a game. It's a sign of strength. A lot of men hear the word space and think it means playing games. They say, should I wait 3 hours to text back? Should I act busy even if I'm not? That's not detachment. That's pretending. Real detachment is when you naturally have space, because you're focused on your own life. You don't create absence to trick anyone. You create absence because you're not available all the time, and that's okay. You have goals. You have passions. You have people who need your attention. You're not ignoring her. You're just not making her the center of your universe. And guess what? That makes you more attractive. Because women don't want to be your whole life. They want to be part of a life that's already full. That's where detachment comes in. It creates mystery. It creates tension. It creates desire. But more than that, it gives you peace. You're not stuck in your phone waiting for replies. You're not chasing attention. You're living your life. And that kind of energy, it's magnetic. Your purpose comes first, and that's not selfish. Many men feel guilty for putting themselves first. They say, but I want to show her I care. And that's fine. But here's the problem. When you put her above your purpose, you lose something important, your power. Your purpose is what makes you come alive. It's the thing that gets you up in the morning. It's the mission that drives you to grow. When you chase a woman instead of your purpose, you lose your focus. You become reactive, emotional, uncertain. But when you stay on your path, something amazing happens. She feels safe. She feels inspired. She sees you as a man who's going somewhere, and she wants to be part of that journey. That's what detachment looks like. It says, I care about you, but I won't stop being me. And that's powerful. Scarcity makes you valuable. Imagine if gold was lying around everywhere, on the streets, in your backyard, in every drawer. Would it still feel special? No, it would feel common. That's what happens when you're too available. Women are smart. They can feel when a man has nothing else going on. They can tell when he's waiting around for a reply, when he drops everything the second they call. And the truth is, that's not attractive. But when your time is scarce, when your energy is protected, that's when she leans in. She sees you as rare, as different, as a man who values himself. Scarcity doesn't mean you're mean. It doesn't mean you never see her. It means you move with purpose. You don't give time to everyone. You don't say yes to everything. You're selective, and that makes you valuable. Calm is the most powerful emotion. You know what's more attractive than passion? More attractive than charm? Calm. Not fake calm. Not I don't care energy. Real calm. The kind that says, I can handle life. When things go wrong, you don't panic. When she gets emotional, you don't get dragged into drama. When you're confused, you don't overreact. You stay grounded. You breathe. You think. That kind of calm comes from detachment, because you're not controlled by emotions. You feel them, but you don't act out of them. You're like a rock in the storm. And that energy, it makes women feel safe. It makes them trust you. It makes them see you as strong. You don't need to yell. You don't need to argue. Your calm speaks louder than any words. That's Stoic Mastery. Real confidence isn't loud. It's rooted. Some guys think confidence is about talking big, flexing money, showing off. But real confidence is quiet. It's rooted deep inside. It says, I know who I am. I don't need to prove it. That kind of confidence comes from doing the work, from showing up every day, from failing and learning and growing. It's not about cars or clothes. It's about competence, discipline, self-respect. When you're detached, you don't need outside approval. You trust your path. You trust your gut. You trust your value, with or without attention. And that energy, it draws people in. Because women don't want a boy trying to impress them. They want a man who knows himself. You are the prize. If you live like it, you've heard it before. You are the prize. But what does that really mean? It means you don't chase people who don't value you. You don't beg for love. You don't lower your standards to get attention. You live like your time is gold. You move like your energy matters. You act like your peace is sacred. And when someone doesn't treat you right, you walk away with grace. That's detachment. Not because you don't care, but because you care about yourself enough not to settle. When you live like that, everything changes. She starts chasing you. Not because of tricks, but because you finally remembered who you are. A man with value. How detachment creates real peace. Here's something most people never talk about. Detachment gives you peace. When you stop chasing, when you stop proving, when you stop begging, you finally feel free. Free from overthinking, free from anxiety, free from fear of loss. Because now, you trust life. You trust yourself. You trust that what's meant for you will never need to be forced. That kind of peace is priceless, and people can feel it when they're around you. You don't need to talk a lot. Your presence speaks for you. That's the power of detachment. Become the man she can't ignore. Here's the truth. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to be the best-looking guy in the room. You just need to be rooted in yourself. When you're detached, when you live with purpose, when your time is valuable, when your emotions are calm, when your confidence is real, you become unforgettable. You become the man she can't ignore. Not because you begged, not because you played games, but because you became the kind of man who doesn't need to chase. And that, my brother, is the most overlooked masculine trait that women love. Now ask yourself, are you ready to live it?